What's up, guys? Welcome to another vlog. I want to say something very important now. I don't want this to look as if I'm bringing up an excuse, even though I know it's an excuse. But guys, I feel like I would learn this shit like way better and faster had it been I had laptop. Like, I feel like it's even harder to learn on like phones than laptops. You feel me? Like, I feel like it's very harder because the people who are even downloading the apps, right? Like when you're checking the reviews, what like you're seeing is people who already know how to code, they're even using like phone apps to code. Like, beginners don't actually do that. So I don't know, like I don't have one yet, so I'm not going to make my whole life revolve around this problem that I have because I don't have a laptop. I'm not going to start. But guys, I started watching the course and I think I was like 10 minutes in, and guys, like, he used so basic language. His name is Simple something Dev, guys, and this guy used like very simple like terms and languages, and I'm understanding everything. And I feel like, damn, had it be I like had a system or a personal computer, like this should have been so easy to follow along with. So like, then I'm like, but I'm not going to make my whole life revolve around this problem, right? Until I get a laptop. I know I'll get one, but wow, like, damn, like I'm understanding everything he's saying. Like, for once, like the whole issue I've had with this like programming stuff, like since, in fact, like the first time I wanted to learn like how to code and program, like since when I was 11, like I think that was 8 years ago. And the whole issue I've had with this whole coding and programming things, that I've never understood what they were saying. But today, I'm telling you, this is like the biggest victory that I think I'll ever have, like, for coding, which is I finally understand what they are saying. And yesterday I actually wrote my first code, you understand? Although it was on my phone, but I wrote my first code. And you can actually code pretty well on your phone. But like the whole thing, like debugging, guys, see me, like using all these languages, I'm feeling so cool. But like the whole process on a phone is way more difficult. So yeah, I feel like if I learn it on a phone and it's already way more difficult, then if I'm using a laptop, it should be easier, right? For once, like since I started coding, I'm finally experiencing some form of victory. Like, guys, but guys, coding on a phone is more than difficult. Oh my god, coding on a phone is more than difficult. Like, as I'm watching everything, I could just literally be following it as they're teaching me on the course on YouTube. I can literally be following it and doing every single thing that the person is saying. But with a phone, it's near impossible. Like, guys, we freaking need a laptop. What I'm going to do is I'm going to keep on watching the course you get. I'm going to keep on watching the course. I'm going to keep on watching the course, watching the course. I'm going to write down. I'm going to just learn everything I can learn. You understand? Learn every aspect of what I can learn. And after I'm done, then, because now I'm understanding HTML and CSS, like I've understood the basics now of it, which is like, damn, like I can't believe I've done that. You get, like, so I've understood everything. I've understood how to like create buttons. I've understood elements. I've understood all these kind of things, and it's nice. Even CSS, I've understood how to style the whole concept, and this thing is all starting to make sense to me. So like for like 10 days of deciding to like I reached this decision that I'm going to do this, and like this is the biggest decision I've ever made in my life, and the biggest pivot I've actually ever made in my life, and this is one of the hardest things I've ever done in my life. Like this high school dropout, just deciding that, okay, yeah, like right now I want to do something meaningful. Like I want to do something that can actually impact, make an impact, you get. And like this is my first victory, and I'm so happy for it. But I don't know, I'm just going to do my best. Like, we just need to raise that laptop by any means possible and start. Like, it's not going to be easy, but it's all making sense, which is a major victory to me. This is a major victory, that everything is making sense. You know how long I thought maybe this shit was going to take me like a month before I could even get the hang of. But now I'm on, like, I believe that I can round up this whole CSS. I didn't I had a laptop. I'm sure that even within 3 days, based off the dedicated focus I'm giving, HTML and CSS, I would have been able to jump this apart. That means like I can even learn JavaScript within a whole month. On my to-do list, I think the first thing I'm going to start is actually vlogging for you guys. So yeah, I'm going to vlogging for you guys, and then I'm going to start editing. If I was already even editing before I just clicked on this, I just finished having my meal, was bread and egg. What else do I have to update you guys about? Yeah, so I'm going to start. Mainly I'm done with editing. I'm going to go to watch the course, and then I'm going to practice. After I'm done practicing, I'm probably going to read on NFTs and Web3. You guys know the drill. So after I'm done with that, then probably do a roundup. So I'm going to try to get at least 10 hours of work today, productive work, you understand. So let's see how that goes. Hopefully everything goes sound and well. Guys, all I can say is actually I'm very grateful and happy because I understand the basics of HTML and CSS just by watching the video. You know, I told you guys you can learn anything, right? Before I was going in circles. Now I actually have something that I'm finally following. I'm getting the hang of this thing. I didn't mean I gave up the first week of trying to do this. I think I'm already nearly 2 weeks into this journey, you understand. I think it was from May 20th I actually decided to do this, I think, sorry, April 20th. It's already May 15th, so I think I'm already 15 days into this journey, and I'm finally like getting the hang of this. Even if it took me 2 weeks, how many people can keep on persisting for 2 weeks? You understand? 2 weeks might look small to you guys watching on the camera, but 2 weeks is actually a lot. You understand? A lot of time. But anybody can actually learn anything. That's the hang of it. Whether you're a high school dropout or whether you're a college dropout or whether you are someone who doesn't know how to read or write, you can teach yourself how to do all these things. You understand? All these people doing it are not greater than you or even better than you anyway. You understand? That's just the truth about it. So yeah, I'm going to continue watching the course after I'm done editing this video. So yeah, you guys should please smash that subscribe button, please. I'm trying to get 100 subscribers before May ends. You understand? Just a reasonable goal. If you have another YouTube account, go and watch this video and smash that subscribe button again. Just help me grow. I'm too entitled. I'm too entitled. Fuck me. Now I'm working on my desk. Yeah, you guys can see the new desk I'm using. Guys, I'm feeling like throwing up. Like, this is my first time actually sitting down full time and just working on my desk. I swear it's guys, last time I actually felt this disgusted of sitting down on a desk like this and working and doing something productive was actually when I was in school. This is so disgusting. Normally I walk and just like on my bed, and yeah, I know that people will be like, that's so productive, but well, up until this point, this is how I've gotten things done. Lying down on my bed, lying down on the floor, you understand, lying down on mats, like you understand, like stretching over like a chair on my pillow, like couch, you understand. That's actually how I get my work done. Right now, the way I'm getting my work done is fucking sitting down on this desk and grinding the fuck out. What the fuck? Oh fuck, we're here, guys, we're here. We need to keep on going. Guys, another day. I just finished coming back from the farm. Yeah, guys, so an update on everything. Yesterday, actually, I was kind of like very busy. Like yesterday, I just got a lot of DMs on several occasions, like when it has to do with my school group. And my school group, we created another group which was pretty dope, like for people with more like serious minded people who are like trying to learn this. And it's crazy while you're seeing other people who want to do what you want to do, also the people with the drive. You understand that there are other people around the world fighting for the same place that you want to get to. So that's a reminder to every single person who is like trying to chase a dream that other people there are also trying to do that, and it's like a competition for who will get to that, like first, like the people that will get to that top spot. You get like it's a race. You understand? So if you are currently here and you're dulling, maybe you want to be a trader and dulling, let me just tell you, there are hundreds or thousands of other traders there who are trying to get to that same place you want to get to. And if you don't put that power in, by the time that those people are achieving those goals, you just see yourself behind. You understand? So that just tell you that other people are fighting for the same thing that you are fighting for. So it's a game to see who is going to get that thing. You get? So yeah, I'm happy about that. So yeah, right now I'm just going to edit this, and then my to-do list is same as yesterday. I just modified it a bit because I didn't finish yesterday work because we were doing a lot of work in the farm. So yeah, I'm just going to do the same thing. Yesterday I was able to study HTML and CSS. As I said, I'm already understanding everything. I'm going to finish the course this morning. You understand? I'm going to finish the whole course this morning from that super simple dev. Really, I'm done with the course. Then I'm going to practice for like an hour or two, and then we'll see what we can do from there. See you guys when I'm